Hello, this is Dr. Kevin Tomasini, and today we're going to be talking about shoulder impingement. Well, shoulder impingement is when you have instability of the shoulder, and now the humerus, this bone right here, goes up and puts pressure on the ligaments, tendons, and muscles and bursa that are below the clavicle. That will cause friction, irritation, and that will lead to pain. This is common in people that do overhead movements or play sports that have to swing or throw stuff. Okay. Now, the first exercise that we're going to do is pretty simple. You can do it at your home, you can do it standing, you can do it sitting down. Main thing is that you're going to externally rotate your arms by bringing your thumbs out and at the same time going down. So you want to distract the shoulder. So you're going external and down at the same time. Come up again, external and down. And you're going to hold that for 5 seconds, do at least 10 repetitions. Now the next one is a variation of that exercise. You're going to do with a band. Almost the same thing, same concept, and you're going to bring the thumb out. Okay? You want to move the arm, but mainly you want to focus on motion of the scapula. Okay? Scapula is the shoulder blade. Go to a height that you don't feel the pain. When you get better, then you can go a little bit higher. Okay? The next one is external rotation. So external rotations, you're just going to put your arm, especially your elbow right here, in 90 degrees, and you're going to go out. Externally rotate. Try not to move your whole body. You want the movement to come from the shoulder right there. Okay. Then 3 sets of 10, and then you're going to do internal rotation. So you're going to do the opposite, just going in. 3 sets of 10 as well. Then you're going to do rolls. Why the rolls? Well, you need to strengthen the rhomboids to bring your shoulder blades back into a better position. And you're going to just bring the band back, squeeze your shoulder blades, and relax. You can do this at your desk, just sitting down, bringing your shoulder blades together, holding, like if you were holding on pinching something right there. Then the last exercise, you can do with a weight or a can. This exercise used to be empty can, so empty can is like when I was emptying something, but now studies have shown that it's better to do a full can, so going up. So you're not going to go forward, you're not going to go to the side. You're going to go halfway there, and you're going to, with a little bit of resistance, go up. You're going to do 3 sets of 10. Try to move the scapula in all these exercises. That's the main thing. Okay? So those are exercises that you can do at home to treat your shoulder impingement, to stabilize the shoulder, and to avoid this painful condition that takes a lot of time sometimes.